Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a card to unlock a door. First, locate the card reader, which is usually found near the door handle or on the frame itself. Next, ensure your access card is oriented correctly, with the magnetic stripe or embedded chip facing the reader. Then, simply swipe or tap your card smoothly and firmly over the designated sensor area to initiate the unlocking process. This simple action is the first step to gaining entry. Different card types interact with readers in various ways. For magnetic stripe cards, you'll swipe them through a narrow slot on the reader. Proximity cards, such as those using RFID or NFC technology, only require you to tap or hold them close to the reader's surface. If you have a smart card with an embedded chip, you will insert it fully into a dedicated slot until you hear a small click, indicating it's properly seated for reading. Sometimes, you might encounter issues when trying to unlock a door. If access is denied, your first step should be to try re-swiping or re-tapping your card, ensuring a smooth and firm motion. Also, take a moment to inspect your card for any visible damage, like significant bends or deep scratches, which could interfere with the reader. Finally, confirm that your card is active and authorized for that specific entry point to ensure proper functionality. To ensure smooth and secure access, always follow a few best practices. Keep your access card clean and protect it from physical damage, such as excessive bending or deep scratches, which can impair its functionality. It is crucial to never share your personal access card with unauthorized individuals, as this compromises security. Lastly, if your access card is ever lost or stolen, report it to security personnel immediately to prevent misuse and maintain building safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.